Hello and welcome to the Power of AI. My name is Sophie Andreu. I have an undergrad in computers and a master's of engineering, and I feel I can finally use it with AI. It is amazing. We can dive into your company and help you understand how to do things faster, better, safer. So basically, AI is where electricity was when it first came out. What am I talking about? Electricity was first available to the public. How are you going to use it? How are businesses going to use it? How do you use it safely? That's how you got to think about AI. Also, AI, they say in 3 years, if you're not using it, you're going to be a dinosaur. We don't want to be dinosaurs. So actually, you want to learn how to use AI. Just start using it little by little. And then as things become more, I don't know, big business has been using it for a while. I'm helping small businesses use it. All this data that's now available to us, and now we can use that to transform our businesses. So I'm going to help you create. I'm going to skip this slide for this short one. Basically, yeah, I'm going to skip this one too. I have a lot of slides that I use in my workshops and my webinars, and there's legislation being put around the world for AI as we speak. I give you all sorts of guidelines that are on the Canadian federal government website for AI. I keep an eye on that, and I keep us up to date. I show you how to use AI at home, business development, proposal writing, day-to-day tools, social media content. I show you how to find AI. Where is it? Where is this AI you speak of? Which are the safe ones to use? I show you how to use something called Copilot that I love. It's in the Microsoft world. And I also show you how to create content using Copilot, how to use it as a co-pilot, someone you ask questions to. And I also show you how to use Chat GPT, how to put it on your phone so you can use it wherever you need it. It's pretty amazing. And then we show you how to use it day to day in your business. There's a number of things that all of us do day to day. Here's a long list of some of the things I show you how to do. Sit down on the workshops that we do. We do some hands-on workshops, and I do a lot of webinars that people call me in to do webinars for their Chamber of Commerce members, their Community Future members, all sorts of different groups. I'm having a delightful time presenting AI and helping businesses leverage its power. So it's really a coaching buddy is what you want to think of AI as. And I show you how to use it to create an elevator pitch, to create proposal generators, market research. I love market research. That to me is fascinating what AI comes back with. Value proposition designers. A lot of us know how to use those things. Anyways, there's so many things that you can do with AI that I love showing you. Press release. That's fun doing a press release with AI. And then it actually goes in and creates all sorts of social media posts based on that press release. It's pretty amazing. We give you what you're supposed to say to AI in order to get what you need out of it, because sometimes it's not very intuitive, and then you start understanding how to use it. So like I say, there's also day-to-day tools that you all use that are like Microsoft or Docs, right? PowerPoint or slides, Canva, Zoom, Constant Contact or MailChimp. There's all sorts of places that AI happens to be embedded, and I want to show you how to use those as well. So again, we can do it through a webinar, or you can bring me in and I could do it through hands-on workshops, and I'd love to help you. So I also have guidelines that I can show you from the federal government's website. I also have frequently asked questions that I provide to you from the federal government, AI policy summary, and guidelines. And then we figure out, okay, how do you do these prompts? And we take off, and what does it all mean? And then I dive in and show you how to do it. It's a lot of fun. Let me just say, I absolutely love helping, and I look forward to working with you, if you'll have me, to have you excel using AI, the power of AI.